Yo, Beauty TV.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Dre here. Today, everybody, we're gonna learn how to spin on our knee. Did you know that spinning on your knee is an old school breakdance move? Once you learn how to spin on your knee, you're gonna be able to impress your friends, impress your grandma, your nonna. Nonna's gonna be so happy that she even might buy you a baby chino. And baby chino rhymes with what? Bachinos and marshmallows. What color marshmallows? White and a pink. Ooh la la, nice house. Hey, before we start, can you make sure you make plenty space in your lounge room? Move the ottoman out of the way, push the couch, take the carpet away. Perfect. Shall we start? You're gonna need an old beanie or you have to have pants. I only have shorts, so in this case, I'm gonna use an old beanie. Place the beanie on the floor here and put one of your knees on that beanie. Once you put that beanie on the floor, you're gonna put both hands on the floor just like this. And then you're gonna lift the back leg just like this. That looks fresh. Once you place your knee on the beanie, you're gonna put both arms on the floor nice and strong and stretch this leg, right? Once you place your hands on the floor, you're gonna have to keep your hands like this. You know, like when you open a big gate or a big sliding door, so your hands like this, right? If you place your right knee on the floor, you gotta spin to your right. You gotta keep looking over your right shoulder. You're gonna do this. You move your hands and then move your body. Move your hands, move your body. Move your hands, move your body. Move your hands, move your body. We've done this 4 times. Shall we try to do 8 times? Move your hands, move your body. Let's go. Hands and body. Hands and body. Hands and body. Hands and notice that I kept my body nice and strong. Don't keep your body jelly like this. Doesn't work. Keep your body strong. Let's go. Hands and body. 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 When you finish, you take your hands off and put this foot in front of you. Ooh la la, that is fresh. The more you do hands and body, the faster and the stronger you're gonna become. You're gonna do 8 taps and then you're gonna take your hands away and keep your body strong. I make you. Ooh, I spun on my knee. I'm in dizzy. What day is today? I don't know. I'm dizzy. Where's my coffee? Where's my drink? Where's my baby chino? Thanks for watching my tutorial how to spin on your knee. Would you like to learn anything else? Mom, Dad, please let me know on Instagram. This is our address. Go there and tell me what should I teach next. Thank you. See you next week.